Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how the near Slack integration works. I've already installed it in my workspace and I will show you by showing you the help section. It basically shows you all the commands you can use and how to use them. There's a login, contract viewer, send, tokens, view, call, account, balance, transactions, keys, and delete all data that the plugin has about your Slack account. And let's start by logging in. Near login. If you just type it like this, it will ask you which type of wallet do you want to use. I will log in with my testnet wallet. And now I can see my account information or balance like this. Here you can also see the balance of another account. And that holds true for other commands as well, like near account or near transactions. By default, they use the current logged in account. However, you can also query for other accounts. Let's see, we can inspect our own contract as well as other contracts. It shows us that we have two functions. And for example, we can just click it, input arguments and deposit if you want, but currently it's fine. And we made a change to the blockchain, which then we can read by near view devtest.testnet.who said hi. Well, currently on this PC, I already have a function key to execute these commands, but in case you're installing for the real first time, here it will ask you to go to the near wallet login page to sign a function call access key that allows the app to call your contracts on your behalf with an allowance of 0.25 near. For sending tokens, near send Daniel.testnet 2, 3, say, for transactions which require your full access key, it will always redirect you to the wallet to approve the transaction. And it redirects you back to the Slack workspace automatically. And then we can see transactions. And we can see that we have our last few transactions calling the method and transferring 3 near are all here, and you can click on the details. It will redirect you to the official near website to see the full details about the executed transaction. And that's pretty much everything. Hope you enjoyed.